got my phone.
Hey,
I should get the veil of a scavenger.
Hey, do that again, Jeremy.
If I should get the veil of live, then I'm great.
Hey, I say.
What? You made a point to freaking mind.
No, really, do it, do it.
I'm not gay.
You sure?
Because you guys might say, oh, you're gay because you flashed your balls out.
This is going on YouTube, what you just said and everything.
Hey, YouTube. I have balls. And all you ladies out there can kiss them.
Time out. Hey, this bitch does not have nothing.
Wanna see?
But he's too ugly, so you don't want to kiss him.
Yeah, cause, well, yours looks like a wrinkly old man vein.
I have the biggest ones ever in the world.
Yeah, biggest watermelons.
I know, thanks.
Yeah, because you have to be walking around
Look at
with
this
two watermelons in your pants.
kitty ceiling fan. And it's freaking ugly ass posters. Wait, let's go. Come on, I'm looking running and I feel like I gotta get away. But I don't.
Then stop.
Hey, let's watch Jerry play some zombies.
No, it's messed up. Okay, I'm gonna show you the way about that.
Jerry's playing zombies. This guy, retard, is playing zombies. Okay, now he is a retard.
Oh, how'd you know?
Oh, man, your floor is all dirty. Look at this. Look at this floor. Holy cow.
Oh, it doesn't make crawlers, Jeremy?
Okay.
Let's go.
Holy crap!
Man.
Where are you going? Is this the strategy to follow the dead? Yeah, that's what me and Liz were doing.
Got a bitch.